Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Kiva for supporting local entrepreneurs while studying abroad. Complete guide step by step clearly. To use Kiva for supporting local entrepreneurs while studying abroad, begin by visiting the Kiva website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information to set up your profile. Once registered, explore the different categories of entrepreneurs on Kiva. Focus on the location or industry that interests you. Use the search filters to narrow down your options. Click on the profiles of individual entrepreneurs to read their stories. Take note of their business goals and financing needs. Choose an entrepreneur you feel passionate about supporting. Decide how much money you would like to lend. Consider starting with a smaller amount, as Kiva allows loans as low as $25. Proceed to the checkout and confirm your loan details. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your loan. Once you complete the transaction, your loan will be posted on the platform. Monitor the repayment process through your Kiva account. Engage with the entrepreneur by providing encouragement or asking questions. Share their journey with others to raise awareness about their business. As repayments come in, you can choose to relend your funds to support more entrepreneurs. Consider documenting your experience and insights in a journal or blog. This will enrich your study abroad experience while making a positive impact. By using Kiva, you help foster local economies and empower individuals worldwide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.